Good morning, sirs. My name is Pavani, BJC second year from Government Degree College, Mulgu. I and my friends together made the project, and the title of this project is Analysis of Water Quality Samples Collected from Mulgu Region. Importance of our natural resources known on the earth. It is important to all living organisms, most ecological systems, human health, food production, and economic development. The safety of drinking water is an ongoing concern with global village. Traditionally, the safety of potability water supplies has been controlled by disinfection, usually by chlorination and coliform population estimates. However, it has been reported that coliform-free potability water may not be necessary being free of pathogens. Many congenital diseases such as goiter and cancer have been associated with presence of high concentration of chemical or its inadequate water in supply. Low concentration of iodine in Homo sapiens result in goiter. Infants have been considered as a potential high-risk group to the toxic effects of sodium from drinking water. Currently, about 20% of world's population lacks access to safe drinking of water, and more than 5 million people die annually from illness associated with safe drinking water and inadequate sanitation. Important components of ecosystem, but due to increased human population, industrialization, use of fertilization in agriculture, and man-made activity, the natural aquatic resources are causing heavy and varied population in aquatic environment, leading to pollute water quality and depletion at aquatic biota. It is therefore necessary that the quality of drinking water should be checked at regular time of interval, because due to use of contaminated drinking water, human population suffers from varied of water-borne diseases. It is difficult to understand the biological phenomena fully because the chemistry of water reveals much about the metabolism of ecosystem and explain the general hydrobiological relationship. A number of water quality parameters are measured to determine water quality. These parameters include physical properties like pH, color, suspended solids, temperature. Everyone had a safe drinking water and adequate sanitization services. There will be 200 million fever cases of diarrhea and 2.1 million fever health caused by diarrheal illness each year.
Thank you, Pavani. My name is B. Shravya. I am from BJC second year from Mulgu Degree College, and my topic is pH. All the samples had the pH ranging from 6.5 to 7.3. The values are plotted using a bar diagram for the easiness of comparison. According to World Health Organization guidelines, the limit of pH value for drinking water is specified as 7.0 to 8.5. Generally, pH of water is influenced by geology of catchment area and buffering capacity of water, and conductivity is high for pond water. Electrical conductivity measures the amount of dissolved mineral content in water. So the number of a free ion is higher in black water, and borewell also has a considerable amount of electrical conductivity. Corporation and well water has very weak electrical conductivity. Thus, ions present would be minimum, and dissolved oxygen. The dissolved oxygen determines the surface water quality and can determine the organic waste content. More the organic concentration, less will be the dissolved oxygen. Amount of dissolved oxygen is higher for corporation water, so it is most potable on the above samples. The water samples collected from the well and borewell shows a lower dissolved oxygen than the permissible limit.
And is the oxygen required for the biochemical oxidation of organic matter. Biochemical oxidation demand is higher for borewell water, thus turning out it contains more organic matter in the whole batch. It is least in corporation water. Lake and tap comes under permissible range. Hardness here is the measure of calcium carbonate in the sample. Pond water is very hard in the batch, so action of soap and detergent is very difficult in it. The amount of calcium ions is very high in it. Corporation what is soft among the samples. And remaining project will explain my friend Ravani.
BSc first year from Government Degree College, Guru. My topic is alkalinity. Alkalinity is a measure to understanding how basic the sample is. Groundwater is most alkaline exceeding the limit. All other samples will come under the limit. The measured is needle orange alkalinity. Corporation water has least value of alkalinity. See the figure. Next. Total dissolved salts. The total dissolved salts value exists the permissible limit for all samples, thus contains higher dissolved salts. Most increase of lake and borewell. Surprisingly, the corporation water has a value that exceeds the limit.
Conclusion. The pond water is of course not advisable for drinking as well as for washing or any other purpose. One of the reasons affecting the quality of water in the Mulugu pond is that the waste water and waste dump materials which thus pollute the water body. Also the water has turned thick black in this region. The values of the parameters are applicable to changes according to the time of collection because the water in Mulugu pond is always flowing, thus giving new samples every time from the values. Interestingly, corporation water seems very good for drinking and other human use. The borewell of the Mulugu region from the values of the parameters is comparable to pond water. The well water seemed a bit advisable to never will be recommended.